And everybody know about Vasan Eye Care. It is the world largest eye care provider in the world now. We have almost 135 hospitals running at present all over the world, and latestly we have opened one in Dubai, and in Andhra Pradesh we will be reaching around opening around 24 to 25 hospitals before this March actually. And Hyderabad we have 11 centers, and it's all full-fledged centers which have all centers have all departments running around. Minimum 6 to 7 doctors will be available in all hospitals. And now we are this femtosecond is our latest mission, which is the first time it is available in Andhra Pradesh. And now it is available in 2 or 3 machines only available in all over India basically. So we are very proud to inaugurate this and inaugurate with Danam Nagendra, and we are thankful to our management, Chairman Mr. Unni, Director, and Mr. Dr. K. Premraj, Chief Mentor of our hospital. We are starting a LASIK center in Vijayawada too actually, to take care of that all coastal belt basically. Like femtosecond, it is available in Hyderabad. We have centers all over rural areas, like we are starting in Vijayanagaram, Vizag, Gajuwaka, Rajamundry, Kakinada, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Nellore, all the places. We will spread the message through our representatives and the doctors over there. They will spread the information in all the places, and will cater the patient and bring to the Hyderabad to do the services like.